Hey guys, today's video we are going to be fixing up the man cave. Stay tuned.
Self-destruct sequence activated.
Alright, so guys, today in this video we are going to fix up this whole entire room. I was going to use my remote to this, but it's not working. I forgot to charge it. I haven't charged it for a while, so I'm going to have to charge this pretty soon just to get it going. So basically I have a new desk coming. I have a toolbox coming to get all the stuff right here, but I got something right now in the mail today. I just happened to put it up, and I even add a little shelf to put the rest of the stuff in. I got this right here. I got a nice little whiteboard right here. That way I can mark of what stuff needs to be done, what stuff for like 3D printing ever. And then next time when I get paid, I'm going to buy a table to put right over here for the 3D printer and some of the other stuff that I got. So we are going to straighten up all of this that's right here. Crypto's right there. He wants to be near the action. So yeah, I got a nice old whiteboard right here. It's not real big. I thought it would be bigger, but it's not. I might turn this up just to have it written down a little bit, but I think it's fine right here because if I get this off, I mean, that's a good test right there. And also a nice little eraser right here. I mean, that's great. So also it came with two little magnets right there, which I like. I don't mind it came with two magnets. So yeah, this is the first thing right here that I got right here. So that's going to, the desk I'm going to put right here. That comes tomorrow. And the toolbox was supposed to come today, but it's not going to come today. It's going to come tomorrow because they changed it on me because they wanted me like that. And I got to tighten this up a little bit. So yeah, so I got my work cut out for me. I'm going to straighten all this up, and also once I get all of this straightened back up again, then I'm going to continue on the roof rack project, get that done a little bit, get that a little bit more going, get everything basically pretty much printed out, and then we'll start building some stuff. I don't know what we were on. I gotta take a look at some of the past videos, which basically part 3, it's still in production, but it's been on hold for a while because of everything. So also I got to get more filament, and I got to get some more. I got a lot of stuff right in that box right there to straighten up right there. Then all the stuff that's from that box is going to be replaced with some other stuff that I'm going to be building for the PVC project that I'm going to be having coming up pretty soon, which is going to be coming in 5 months. So basically in 5 months, I'll just buy parts, store them, buy parts, store them. Then once I have everything, then I'll buy everything, and then we'll start building the project all at once. Which basically I think that would be a nice winter project. That way I could just build it in here. Won't have to worry about it. I did measure the doorway. It would fit if I don't make it wide and too big. So that's very great. So, but first, let's go ahead and start setting all this up right here. Okay guys, basically 2 days has passed, and Yesterday, both things came, and I was really excited to get started and get them done, but I was so exhausted from work that I basically got my toolbox basically built, and I'm looking at it right now. Now I'm fully awake, and I set some stuff up last night, but some stuff I might end up upgrading. So let me go ahead and show you the cart first. This is the cart that I got. I made a couple of mistakes on it, and I couldn't lock this, but now it locks. I had to take it back apart again and fix it. And also, I did mess up on the bolts to the back of the wheels. They are kind of touching a little bit, so they don't exactly turn as much. So I have to flip the bolts upside down. But instead of me just taking it apart, I might just get my grinder and just sand them off. That way I don't have to worry about it. So basically, I got all my tools, everything pretty much set up right here. And also, look what I did. I even marked that right there to make it more official. I did that last night. Now, as for the desk, basically the workstation, it's not as big as I thought. I thought it would take me, I didn't got done until about 2 o'clock in the morning last night. And I started at 10 because I wanted to get something to eat and have some dinner and relax for a little bit. And then when 10 o'clock came, I started doing this, and yeah. Also, I did realize there's a couple of problems with it. I will show you that, guys, in a minute. But look at this right here. Look at that. That looks so much better. Plus, the other one, as you guys remember, it went from to this window all the way to that corner to past this point right here. It was so big that I couldn't even do it. I couldn't do it. So after I got rid of it, and I thought, you know what, I was gonna thought about losing this house. So I thought if I was going to be homeless or anything, I didn't want to have a lot of things, so I sold it to get. But now I'm not going to have to worry about that no more. So, but look, I set everything up last night. I got my little area right there, the where I'm going to have this right here, which I still got to get a battery for. I got to get this, that. Then once I get the table for there to put the 3D printer on, that would be basically be pretty much done. And then these boxes here will be out of here. And then I'll start saving up some stuff for the upcoming project that's going to be coming. So what I might end up doing is I might end up finishing a little bit more on the Ecto-1 roof rack project, get that done. Probably get to video 4, and then probably after that, probably take a little break for a while because I am starting to get a little bit burned after that, because it's a lot of parts. I mean, it was a lot of parts for me to do, because I built that right there. I 3D printed those right there, which those right there I had to print out again. So luckily those are done. So I got to finish that. Plus I got to finish the Proton pack right here from the game version. So I got to finish that pretty soon. So now pretty much everything looks great, and I'm very happy with the result. I might do some upgrades. This here, I gotta show you guys. I gotta talk to you guys about this. Sit down for a minute. Because of this clamp, look at that. I mean, that's bending. I don't like it. So I was thinking about drilling a hole, putting it through, and be done. But the bolt that I have for this is not exactly long enough to go through. I thought maybe having something like this would be great, but it's all done. And I got a couple of things I want to show you guys of some flaws. So let's go ahead and I'll show you that, guys. That, like, take a look at this. That is, whoops, get in the frame. That is a crack. And right back there, that's what happened. Now, I don't know what happened exactly. I thought maybe it probably got a little bit messed up, but it looked fine. But then when I was trying to pick this up, that started to peel back and started to fall apart. So also back here, there's a crack there when I try to tighten these up. Now, as for the light situation, I'm thinking about doing a different upgrade to the light because this light's not very bright enough in here anyway because of this. Because I'm thinking about getting one of those ones to upgrade this part right here because that is loose. I can't really show you because it's so bright, it'll brighten like the camera. So this is like loose. So I'm thinking about getting like one that you put like one light bulb in it, but get one of those ones that has like a fan on it that as seen on TV, or an LED light that's really bright. I might think get something like that, put it right up here, and just have that. I might just do something like that and also have a fan up here. Also, I replaced a couple of outlets in here because they were bad, so I'm real glad about that. But pretty much I'm very happy with this setup right here. I mean, this here, I'm going to get something different here for the toolbox. I might just get a new tool set with some screwdrivers because the ones that I got aren't exactly good. They're not exactly magnetic. I'm thinking about getting some real nice ones. So yeah, I got that off of Trimu. I don't know. I think I'm saying that wrong, but if I am, oh well. I heard a lot of things about that the company charged you $5 something, and now they have a lawsuit against them. I don't know, but so far I haven't had nothing charged on me. So, I mean, if it does, but I will stop it. But basically, my bank account would notify me if that happens, and if that ends up getting charged to my account, I just have to say no, and it'll be done. I won't have to worry about it. So yeah, so after I got this here pretty much gathered up here and done, I wrote that on there last night, and I was very happy with the reveal of everything. So all thing I gotta do now is just get a table for there and put the 3D printer on it, get the 3D printer set up, and we'll be pretty much set up and done. And we can get started on the Wolf Rack again. Or I just have to see what I'm on. I think I'm on the Arrows. So hopefully the SD card that I have in it is still good. I hope it did not screw up. Hopefully after time it's been sitting in there, hopefully it hasn't. But if it has, oh well, I'll just have to reprint and just be done with it. I think it's 75%. I can't remember. I might have it in my notes. So, yeah, I can't wait to get started and get more done on some projects in here. Can't wait. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And, actually, we're not done with this video. I'm going to go ahead and keep this video on here. And we are going to go ahead and set this little area up. Okay guys, a couple days has passed, and today I ended up gotten the new table in for the 3D printer. To tell you the truth, it's a little smaller than I kind of was hoping for. I did not know it was going to be this small. What I might do is I might end up changing the room around a little bit. Probably put the table over there, and probably put the desk probably more over here on this side. I don't know. But here's the table. I figured it probably will be a little bit bigger, but it's not. And I mean, it does fit that, but the problem is if I move some of this stuff, it's a little bit wobbly. So I'm kind of hoping that will not be an issue with the prints. I don't know. But now we got the 3D printer up here. Now this is all set. I even got some of the little stuff in here. It is a little bit wobbly. I'm not for sure. I might end up, I do got it anchored to the wall right here, so that's pretty good. And I didn't straighten up a little bit of this area. I got this right here, and I've been making a list for that PVC car project that's going to be coming up in a little bit later. But yeah, so now we got this pretty much ready to go. Now what I can do now is I can actually start on the 3D prints on this and get that pretty much done. So hopefully, I'm trying to remember where I put the paperwork for the 3D prints. I think I got them. Yep, here they are right here. Got all crumbled. So now I got that in here. I'm going to set that right here for now. Move that a little bit aside. But pretty much, it looks pretty good. So now we got a nice little table for that. I got a nice little new desk. I even got this right here. Now this right here did came with the table, but I did not want to install it. I wanted to install it on this. So now I have a little outlet right here that I can plug in, like this right here, this, or I can even charge my phone, or I can charge this, or I can even plug this in right here, which I gotta get some hooks and put right here. So yeah, that's what I gotta do. But basically, that is the workshop pretty much back together again. So I'm very happy with that. So now I want to go ahead and close the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'm very sorry I didn't film building the desk or building that or building my toolbox because of my camera. Plus, some stuff took me a long time for me to do, and plus I thought my phone was recording, but it wasn't. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. So please remember to hit that subscribe if you haven't already. If you like this video, if you want to support the channel, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And also, I will be continuing with the roof rack project. Get that pretty much almost done, and take a break from it and go with something, do something else. I might end up finishing up this up a little bit, take a break from that, and then start on something else. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. So take care, guys. See you next time, and I'll catch you in the next video.